What's this?
I'm bored.
Hi, Georgie.
Hi, Tim. I'm bored.
Oh dear. Let's play a game.
Sounds great.
Can you remember these things? We have a big cuddly toy, a small cuddly toy, an expensive computer, a cheap computer, a heavy box, a light box, a new TV, an old TV.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing?
We're playing a game.
Oh, can I play?
Well, you're late. Very late. But... okay. Can you remember these things? We have a big cuddly toy, a small cuddly toy, an expensive computer, a cheap computer, a heavy box, a light box, a new TV, an old TV.
You can watch more episodes of Easy English Conversations with our YouTube playlist.
Okay, so there was a big cuddly toy and a small cuddly toy.
That's right.
An expensive computer and a cheap computer.
Yep,
A heavy box and a light box.
correct.
And a new TV and an old TV.
That's right. Well done.
What's the prize?
The prize is this box.
What's in the box?
A round of applause. Well done. Well done.
Hi guys,
Hello.
Hi.
Hey,
what are you doing?
We're playing a game. Do you want to play?
Yes, please.
Okay. Can you remember these things? We have a big pencil, a small pencil, an expensive watch, a cheap watch, a heavy bag, a light bag, a new phone, an old phone.
I can't remember. Can I have them one more time, please?
Of course, we have a big pencil, a small pencil, an expensive watch, a cheap watch, a heavy bag, a light bag, a new phone, an old phone.
Can you help me?
A big pencil. And a small pencil.
A big pencil and a small pencil.
An expensive watch. And a cheap watch.
Ah, an expensive watch and a cheap watch.
A heavy bag. And a light bag.
Right, a heavy bag and a light bag.
a new phone. And an old phone.
A new phone and an old phone.
Well done if you answered those correctly.
What's this?
Oh, that's our subscribe button. What's this?
That's a playlist for this series. Click here to watch more videos. Bye!
Bye.